All right, stopwatch on. Rainy spring in the city. Let's build the perfect hat look. 010, check the weather. Drizzle with wind, I'm skipping wool. I want water resistant. 015, grab the sleek black bucket hat. Nylon, wide brim, minimal logo, city proof. 020, hair prep fast, pea-sized anti-frizz cream on the ends, not the roots. 025, middle part, not today. 025, side part to avoid that post-hat crease line. 030, 2 flat bobby pins behind each ear, crossing them for grip. Invisible, secure. 035, face SPF first. Rain doesn't cancel UV. 040, tinted moisturizer dab dab. 045, cream blush high on the cheekbones. It won't streak if it sprinkles. 050, brow gel quick sweep. 052, tubing mascara, thank me later. 055, clear lip oil, hydrated, not sticky. 100, hat on, 2-finger space above brows so I can actually see crosswalks. 105, brim check, tilt forward 5 degrees, keeps droplets off lashes. 1 to 10, wind hack, tiny elastic under the hair at the nape, hat sits on top, no flyaway drama. 1 to 15, outer layer, cropped trench, water repellent, cinched. 120, shoes, lug sole Chelsea boots, grip matters on subway stairs. 125, bag nylon crossbody, hands free for coffee and turnstiles. 1 to 30, foldable umbrella. 130, card holder. 1 to 30, mini brush. 130, travel blotting papers. 1 to 30, spare hair tie. 130, lip oil. 1 to 30, phone in a zip pocket. 140, style swap, olive green bucket hat for a softer vibe. 145, or a navy cap with a hidden rain cover, sporty but smart. 1 to 50, final spritz, anti-humidity spray around the hairline. Halo, be gone. 1 to 55, mirror check. Brim crisp, edges clean, everything hands-free. 20, stopwatch down. Rain, cute, I'm cuter. Let's go.